Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.6 on CentOS Stream 9. So first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.6 LTS version. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then select the version 9 x86 64-bit. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM manual. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 907 megabytes. Wait until download completes, and also here it is star file. Once download completes, then we will untar the star file and we will install RPM packages. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. And let's see, here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.6 tar file. We have to untar it, tar-except, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire file name from your keyboard, hit enter, ls. See, here we have the list of the RPM packages, we have to install them. Okay, sudo rpm-ivh -no-deps, then star.rpm. This will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video until installation completes. See, installation is completed. So we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give the D, it won't work. See, we have to give the D. See, MySQL server is installed and it is enabled and it is started. Okay, so now connect to MySQL server. But to connect to MySQL server, we must have the password of MySQL user account. Okay, so we don't have any MySQL user account, but we can get the MySQL root account temporary password by going to more/var log mysqld.log. Sorry, you have to give grep, then password, then go to here sudo. See here the command sudo more, then this file with the path, then grab the password. See, this is the temporary password for root account. This is not same for you. Now set the permanent password for MySQL root account. Sudo mysql _secure _installation. Now paste this password. Paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password for root account. So confirm the same. Again, do you want to change password? No. Remove anonymous users? Yes. Disallow root login remotely? No. Remove test database and access to it? Yes. Reload privileges? Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for MySQL server root account. Now connect to MySQL server, mysql-u root-p. Then provide the password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.6. We can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL server installation. Let us create database. Create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. It will be empty. See, empty set. Now create table. Create See, we have create a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. MySQL -u new username is David -p. Then provide the password. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, we are unable to connect. See the message, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but you haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server on CentOS stream. Sudo systemctl stop mysql d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped. We can also try to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysql d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. Quick. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart mysql d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is restarted. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on CentOS operating systems. Okay, we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.6 on CentOS stream 9. So these files are not required anymore, so remove them. To clear the space, rm start.rpm. This command will delete all RPM packages from the current directory. Ls, see here we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. See, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 8.4.6 LTS version on CentOS stream 9. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.